What's up, team? I hope everyone is doing well and getting ready for the summer. So something pretty cool happened to me. This clothing company called Packsture asked me to review one of their jackets, and the jacket is called Satori. Now, why did they ask me to review it? It's probably because I spend a lot of time outside. I could be taking pictures at the racetrack, exercising, or exploring different landscapes. So here's the package. It comes in a resealable bag, which does come in handy, and a minimum amount of packaging, which is good because there's less waste. It is very light and feels nice. And I'll translate these tags for you. It's windproof, waterproof, and has great thermal insulation. Now for me, one of the first features I look for besides being warm are pockets that zip. When you're out and about, the last thing you want to do is lose your keys, your wallet, or any electronics on a trail or in water. And this jacket has a ton of zippered pockets. There are 2 regular, 1 chest, and 4 on the inside, which is a lot of zipper pockets for such a small, lightweight jacket. Now all the pockets can fit smartphones, small tools, and other useful things. And if you're into photography, you can fit some small lenses and accessories, so that makes me happy. Now of course, I had to test the jacket out. I did a mini photo shoot where it was 55 degrees Fahrenheit with overcast outside, and there were 25+ mile-an-hour winds. So that should be a good test. The only layer I had on under the jacket was a standard cotton t-shirt, and honestly, I underestimated how brisk it was that morning, but it made for a very common situation. I was out there for well over an hour, positioning the car, positioning myself, and taking photos, and the entire time I was very comfortable. If it had started raining, I would have been fine because there is a removable hoodie that is also waterproof. And after the shoot, I ran some errands and didn't feel like I was over-equipped. So for me, it passed the real-world functional test with flying colors. Now let's talk about fitment and practicality. The fit is on the slim side. The jacket is an extra large, which is my normal size. I do like the way that it tapers from my lats to my waist, because a lot of men's jackets tend to be straight cut, and a straight cut can look and feel kinda sloppy sometimes. The only fitment issue I did have was with the shoulder/arm flexibility. Lifting my arms above my shoulders made the jacket feel a tad bit small, but I didn't have any issues taking photographs, which does require me moving around a lot and lifting my arms. I will say that if I had anything more than a t-shirt, it might have felt a little bit too small. For reference, my suit jacket size is a 44 athletic, my waist is a 34, I'm 5'9" and weigh 200 pounds. And if I had to classify myself, I would say that I have a muscular athletic build. And to be fair, finding form-fitting tops and bottoms for me are a challenge, so there's that. In terms of practicality, this jacket is very good. It weighs a little over a pound, it's waterproof, all the pockets zip, and I can roll it up and store it in a small backpack or a cargo holder inside of a car. And I can do that with that resealable bag that they give you. And I think that's the thing that I like the most. Having a jacket that is fashionable, waterproof, warm, and not cumbersome is super clutch in many situations. So I give it a thumbs up. Now I want to thank Packsture for the opportunity to review this jacket, and the team, that's you, for watching this video. I will put links in the description for the relevant material, and feel free to subscribe to this channel, and remember to leave a like before you go. And if you want to connect or have more frequent updates, you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook. You can also represent Team Never Stop Learning by picking up some merch from my store. Now I wish you all well, and with that being said, stay tuned and thanks for watching.